Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and
I
others.
have two Cam 45s wired at 0.7 each.
Okay.
Gain matched. Two XV 212s with NSC4 soft parts and coil. Box is tuned to 20 hertz. It's 4.4 cubes.
So tuning that low, wow. What size port is it?
6.
6-inch air port. Okay, very nice.
Kind of makes the car like a modified 6-cylinder kind of.
Yeah, got it. Wow. Did you actually, were you trying to fit the box in or just to get more space by cutting into it?
I wanted to try to get the tuning almost perfect for what I wanted.
Okay.
I wanted to try to achieve like a 1-to-2 ratio tuning.
Okay.
I got close. I got roughly a bandwidth from 10 to like 38.
Oh, wow, you like the lows. Okay. Nice.
If you want to, just open that, or actually no, I opened mine.
Okay.
And then, it's a new car, because you got the red Focus last year.
Okay. I think, yeah, it's been a while, but yeah.
Focus last year.
Yes, sir. Wow. Any SPL results on it yet?
That does roughly a 37 at 10, and then like a 46 at 23.
Wow. That's pretty good, man, for a trunk. Yeah, so you must be putting some power on these subs to be flexing like that.
Last weekend I had all 4 cabs. I had a cab for goal last weekend.
You had 4 of these amps on it last weekend. Whoa. What made you put that much power, just to see what it could do?
See what it could do.
Man, that's wild, dude.
Because I had two spares, and I was like, no, I'm going to try and see what it does.
Man, that's crazy.
I can get the trunk open for you.
Yeah, I'd love to see the trunk, man.
Black hole.
Nice. So this is a 6-inch airport. What made you do back versus side?
My trunk resonant frequency's tuned lower, so I can play lower.
Okay, got it. Wow. You done some trunk work.
Yeah.
Is there anything underneath the box, or is it just a platform? Foam, got it. So you don't have a spare tire?
No.
Got it. How deep does this port go?
About 3 or 4 inches off the back wall.
Okay, got it. Okay. Wow. Did a good job, man. Nice to meet you.
if I can find any more for a peak.
Jimmy grew up wild, Blackfoot Daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke ass, but blessed with beauty, the kind that rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing.
Wow. What was that low drop down to? That's crazy.
19.
19. My gosh, dude. Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.